Hi, hello. Today I have day 11 of my 12 days of Christmas series. If you haven't already heard, then I am doing 12 days straight of Christmas videos, including this one, of course. I will link the playlist up there of the 10 looks I've already created. I'm doing a wide variety of looks for Christmas time. If you have any recommendations for after the series and you still want me to do a few Christmas inspired or New Year's looks, then please let me know. Comment down below in the comment section. Please like this video if you enjoy it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And if you want to see how I created this Santa's hat inspired look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have a Santa's hat kind of look today. I did get a lot of inspiration from Instagram. Not one particular person, but I just typed in Santa's hat and a load of like makeup looks come up from like last year or this year, so I don't have like a specific person, but I've seen a lot of people do the red liner with like a green cut crease. So just go check out the hashtag Santa's hat or Santa's hat makeup, etc. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette. I feel like I haven't used this in a while, not a while, but like for a few videos at least. So I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Correct white base. It's a concealer, but I use it as a base, and I'm just going to apply thick layer. And also, before I do that, blend that out. I forgot, I'm going to use tape. So I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going into the James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm going to take the shade Daddy, which is the dark green. I'm going to pop this along the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Social Blade, which is the light green. I'm going to put this on top of the darker green. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to just use the base we used. Take the white called Flashback. I'm going to put that all over where we just cut the crease, just to set it in place. Now I'm going to take the light green, blend the outer corner, and I'm going to take the dark green, go right on the outer corner. Okay, so for the eyelid, I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to take this shade which is called Ring Light. Now is the winged liner. So what I used is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Red Rum. I just have the mini one here, and I'm going to take that on a little angled liner brush. Little tiny brush. I'm going to take the red shade, which is called Literally. Take it on an angled brush and I'm going to set that down. And it'll just make it a little bit more red. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera, do my face, apply lashes and mascara and stuff like that on my eyebrows, and I'll come back and tell you what I use and to do the lower lash line and the lips. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done everything. You want to know what I used on my face and my eyelashes, my eyebrows and stuff like that, then I have listed everything down below in the description box, so go check that out. And I have linked everything as well, so it's easy for you to access anything. So next I'm going to do the lower lash line. I think I'm going to put green on the lower lash line because I've done red quite a bit. So I'm going to take the lightest green called Social Blade and I'm going to put that all the way across. Then I'm going to get the darker shade and just put that on the outer part. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I'm going to put a little bit of the flashback shade. I'm going to put a bit of mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And that is the lower lash done. Now I'm going to take the NYX white liquid liner and I'm going to do the little white bubble on the end of the wing. Doesn't have to be perfect because it is like a fluffy ball, and that is the eyes done. So now for lips, I'm going to take the MUA lip liner in Red Drama. I know I've taken a lot of red lips on my looks, but it's Christmas, do you blame me? Then I'm going to take the Jouard Cosmetics Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Immortal, which is just a nice red shade. Okay, so that is it. That is everything for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's just a little bit creative, just adds a little bit something different, you know? So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and definitely make sure to click the eye and have a look at the 12 days of Christmas. It is day 11 today, if I haven't said that already. But yeah, tomorrow is the last one. I live to the moon and back, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video for the last day of 12 days of Christmas. Bye guys.